Love this little setup right here. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Neil here at Gaza Performance. I'd like to give my veterans a holla, shout out. Enough respect. Still a veteran, the U.S. Marine Corps. And right here, right now, I got a video here. I got 5 minutes to let you know about what's going on here with my car. I fixed the problem with the pressurized fuel tank because the clamps were not tight on the hoses that were holding the correct pressure to go to the lines from the high performance fuel pump. And it could be with any fuel pump as well, because those clamps were compression clamps that went really not so tight anymore. But another problem here is that I was getting hesitation when I'm flooring the gas pedal, after it warms up. Well, I just said to myself, let me just go ahead and disconnect the mass airflow meter, the MAF. Disconnect that. Wouldn't you know, the car runs so nice. No more hesitation. I floor it. It goes like a bat out of hell. Because now what the computer is going into default mode, which is the mixture between rich and lean. So basically, it's giving you a steady stream of fuel mixture all the time, either in cold or hot. But still, I'm in Florida. Not required, high mixture of fuel, because we're at sea level. We really don't need that. But then, just to let you know, this thing runs like a dream. I fixed basically all of the problems I had with my Lexus. Problem here is that part. And with the original part that original airflow meter, it was doing the same thing. So I guess with time, these meter devices, they go bad. And same goes for all of the ones that are at the junkyard. Do not get them. They go bad. It's always better to just go ahead and buy them brand new. So that's what I did. Mine is on order right now. It should be here. But my God, I'm loving the epic power that this beast is putting out. I'm having wheel spins with two 65, 35, 18 tires, and they're sticky. Very sticky. I have the Mucho Machos with the 18x9s, and the tires, gotta share with you, oh my God, this is the best looking rims that you could ever put on your Lexus sc400. It's like they were literally made for this car. And if you take a close look right here, this is the big brake setup. This is not the stock brake setup. It fits so well. What I have here is the 18x9 plus 35, and the 18x9 plus 20 fit very well. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.